G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing very well, and welcome to all the new subscribers and also my old faithful subscribers. Yeah, welcome back. In today's box review we'll be doing this particular model. So this is the Porsche Carrera GT that we'll be having a look at, and this is a big scale, this one. So yeah, but we'll get to the bench and take a look at this. Okay, as we take off the lid here, big box. Put that to the side. As you can see from Tamiya, good quality parts is what I expected. Okay, we've got our book here. We've got our some sort of bid magazine there. What do we got? We've got our engine parts here. Looks like our radiator seat there. And looks like we've got more parts here. So that's good. Looks like our door cards there. So that's good. These parts I have to figure out what they are. So we've got more of our engine parts here. Here is our seat. Two seats. This is our center console now. Steering wheel, brakes, stuff like that. More chrome stuff parts here, which I'll be de-chroming these, doing my own chrome. And we've got more parts here. I'm not too sure what these are going to be, but we'll have a look later. And more parts here. Rear spoiler there, you can see. This is our rubber. This is all rubber, so rubber seats. So you can see this is our calipers, rotors, sorry, not calipers, and the calipers are on the on each end. Okay, as you can see here, we've got photo edge right there. Got more parts here. Yeah, hard to see what this is, but we'll get into it later. Oh, belts there. Then we've got more parts here. Wipers and other bits and pieces. We've got our bonnet, doors, left hand side and right hand side side skirts, if you could put it that way. Then we've got our, oh, what else? Got more parts there. Our clear parts, which is headlights, rear lights. There's our front windscreen. Our tyres, rims, sorry. So that's our rims. Tyres. This is bits and pieces of our tubing. We've got some tools in here, springs, and metal parts in here as well. And basically this is our body here, our actual car body. We got our seat belts here, logos, decals in there. That's our masking for our front windscreen. Put that to the side. Now this is a metal part as well, and also this part here is all die cast. This is all die cast, this is, so it's metal for our underneath. So that's all that is. So very, very heavy. Now there's two unique features about this model that I'm very, very impressed about. The first one is this part here. It's die cast metal for the chassis. You don't see that in, well, it's the first time I've come across in a lot of models that I've been doing. So that's, yeah, that impresses me a lot, and it's very, very heavy, that's for sure. And I'm impressed. And another great feature about this too is the rear clamshell. It can be removed and to reveal the V12 engine, and also the side doors can be open and closed. And guys, if you want to see me build this in a future video, please leave comments down below, and also please like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. Appreciate it. Cheers guys.